Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by backing up the wallpaper file and your home screen layout so nothing is lost. Once done, power the device off and remove the case and SIM tray to prevent tool contact. Next, apply isopropyl 70% sparingly. Use a syringe or spray bottle aimed at edges only. This loosens adhesive without shorting components. Make sure to use a plastic pry to start lifting at a corner. You want controlled force to separate the layer without bending the display. You continue by working from one corner, lifting slowly about 1–2 mm at a time so you can monitor resistance. Once you hit a stubborn spot, add heat at 40–45 degrees C to soften the adhesive. Make sure not to exceed 50 degrees C since batteries and sensors are sensitive. Use dental floss or a thin guitar pick in a sawing motion for long adhesive runs. This reduces tearing. If you uncover connectors or cables, stop and reevaluate to avoid ripping ribbon cables. You finish by removing remaining adhesive residue using isopropyl 70% on a microfiber cloth. Apply gently and avoid rubbing OLED burn areas aggressively. Once clean, reapply replacement adhesive strips or a new wallpaper panel, aligning precisely to camera cutouts and sensors so functionality remains intact. After reassembly, power on and test touch and sensors. Recalibrate if needed. If the screen shows dead zones or the UI lags, there may be connector damage. Seek a professional repair to prevent further harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.